Hi everyone, my name is Kaan and today we will be doing another episode of Magician Reacts to Magic. Today we will be reacting to Chien's quarterfinal performance on America's Got Talent. As always, I haven't watched it yet, we will be reacting to it all together, so if you like the video, let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up on this video, and of course let me know your thoughts about his performance in the comments below while you're watching the video. That being said, let's jump straight into the performance. So guys, let's get started with the performance.
Hello Chien, it's great to be back. Now, do you love chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Love chocolate, then you're gonna love this.
Fantastic.
It seems like the act he did on Amazes Got Talent. Pretty cool, watch it.
You wanna have one?
Heck yeah.
How's it?
I took like 4, it's good.
Watch. Here, can you mix up the cube for me? Just go ahead and mix it up.
Yep.
Actually, you know what? If we just add a little bit more chocolate.
Okay.
And we can use this cube. Split into 2.
I believe that part wasn't there on Amazes Got Talent.
When you're done, just place them back onto the table. Take your
Very
time.
cool.
As long as I don't have to figure it out.
Make sure it's empty.
Yes, empty.
Perfect. Now when you're done, just put it back on the table. Awesome. Oh, you see the first one.
Oh, minor fail.
2 more.
Okay. Very little fail, but he rescued the situation with it.
All of them completely solved.
Man.
But you have to
He punches them in the face, really. One after the other.
Was simply just made out of chocolates. But these are real chocolates too, you can see. Not only that.
Nice.
And of course, thank you, Chien. Thank you, everyone.
Great. Stop here. Let's talk about it. So guys, let me know what you thought about his performance. In my opinion, it was very similar to his Amazes Got Talent performance. He included like some extra steps into it with these small cubes, making them appear and turn them, like, was pretty cool. So it wasn't the exact same thing. There was a very minor fail where he tried to stack all 3 cubes in this box and then like stack them together, but he pulled it very well off actually by just improvising, really. It was pretty good. Overall, it was a very short act, but really every second he really punched the audience in the face with very visual effect. In my opinion, a very well put together act with candy. Really, he didn't use cards, coins whatsoever. Just something else that most magicians do not use, which I really like about this act. I really hope that he is gonna get voted for the next round. If you have the chance, go ahead and vote for him. Let's hope that the magician wins the show again. But that was basically my reaction to Chien's quarterfinals performance. Let me know what you thought in the comments again. That's it. I hope to see you next time.